everybody. Good morning, Tiffany.
Good morning, Catherine.
Welcome to this lovely Friday before all this rain comes in again. I thought we got a little bit of a break, but anyway, here we are. We are at 1612 Shepard Street, very close to the Promised Land, but on the corner of 17th and Shepard. You can't see it, but I'm staring right at Boat Sound. Isn't it beautiful?
Gorgeous.
Yes. So tomorrow, Saturday, we're having an open house here from 10 to 12. I will be here, so please stop by and see this great house. It just hit the market, so we're real excited. Already got a lot of buzz. A lot of outer-towners have been calling and trying to get in as fast as they can, so we think we're going to have a great response.
I think so. It's a great neighborhood. Plenty of parks in here.
You live in here, don't you?
I do. You can come be my neighbor. I'm 2 blocks to the west, so a lot of little private beaches. You can get out there and enjoy some sand and sound, and just.
What's your favorite part about living in this area?
Probably my accessibility to downtown. We bike to go get ice cream at Sunset Slush or at Gulf Docks, and we're able to go get oysters whenever we want to at Southern Salt, whether it's walking, biking, golf cart.
Yeah, just a perfect location.
It really is. I have no complaints at all.
Yeah, well, who would? It's a great location.
It sure is.
What else do we have going on this weekend?
Well, y'all know Valentine's Day is next Tuesday, so Buddy Murdoch, our client coordinator, looked up a couple things for us. Art from the Heart is an art gallery thing, I think, put on by the Morehead City Arts Council, and that will be at the Kmart on Arundel, the old Kmart on Arundel.
My daughter has stuff in that show.
I do think a lot of students around the area have stuff. It's from 12 to 5, and it's free and open to the public. That's on February 11th on Saturday.
Yes, Saturday.
And then also there is a pub crawl in Atlantic Beach, and that's from 2 to 6 p.m. That is $10 per person. But if you're looking for something to do this weekend, there's plenty out there.
Well, don't forget the best day of the whole weekend, which is Super Bowl Sunday, guys.
Yes, looking
and
forward
if anybody knows me, they know I'm a diehard NFL fan. So I'm super excited for Super Bowl Sunday, and I'm sure you can watch it at Jack's or any of the local things down in downtown.
Beaufort, Atlantic Beach, anywhere it's going to
Tight lines, yeah.
Awesome. Well, y'all have a wonderful weekend. Come see Kat on Saturday and check out this house, and we'll have a good weekend.
Have a great weekend, guys.
Bye.